In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert links or hyperlink in your PDF document without installing any software. You can just simply do it online. Let me show you how. So I'll just go to Google and write Sajda here. Now Sajda is the website which provides you all of this facility, and the best part is it doesn't ask you to sign up and enter all of your details and all. So it's free to access. You can just edit the PDF document right away. Just upload the document. For convenience, I have placed my document on the desktop. So let's select this, and now our document is open. Now let's say I want to make this particular link as clickable. So just click on the link from the top. You also have many options here. Just click here and just put the box right here. Draw the box and link to an external website. You can link to an email address, to phone number. So let's enter www.youtube.com. Just make sure that to enter the www as well. Otherwise it will not work properly. So we have our document ready right away. Let's download this, new and clickable, and let's open. Now this particular heading is clickable now. Let's click on it and we are able to use the link. So guys, this is how you can make the documents clickable with the hyperlinks. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.